Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a checkbox checkmark style. As see this check style, and I'll change it. I'll make it square or diamond or circle. Select form option this menu bar, and here you will find the select field option. Click here and drag your mouse cursor, select your checkbox and click right button and open properties dialog box, and properties dialog box go option. Here you will find the checkbox default style check, and you can make it change. I'll make this one circle, and this one I'll change cross, and also I'll say this one square, and say close and go home and hand option. I see this checkbox's default checkmark style now change. Yeah, in this way you can change your checkbox checkmark default style. And finally select this file option, save or save as your fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.